Start by understanding why Ubuntu is a great choice for your company. Ubuntu is a free, open-source operating system that's known for its security, stability, and ease of use. Many businesses turn to Ubuntu to reduce software costs, improve security, and gain more control over their IT infrastructure. Plus, with a large community and regular updates, you'll always have support and new features. In this video, we'll walk you through each step to successfully implement Ubuntu in your company, ensuring a smooth transition for your team. Before making any changes, it's important to assess your company's needs. Consider what software your teams rely on, how many computers you'll be updating, and whether you need to support any legacy systems. Make a list of essential applications and check their compatibility with Ubuntu. This planning stage will help you avoid surprises later and ensure that Ubuntu meets all your business requirements. Next, review your company's hardware. Ubuntu works well on most modern computers, but it's wise to double-check compatibility, especially for specialized equipment like printers or scanners. Visit Ubuntu's official website for a list of supported hardware. If you find any issues, consider updating drivers or replacing outdated devices to ensure a seamless experience. Once you're ready, head over to Ubuntu's official website and download the latest long-term support (LTS) version. The LTS version is recommended for businesses because it receives security updates and support for several years. Make sure to select the right version for your company's hardware, whether it's 32-bit or 64-bit. After downloading Ubuntu, you'll need to create installation media. This is usually done with a USB flash drive. Use a tool like Rufus or Balena Etcher to write the Ubuntu image to your USB drive. This will allow you to boot and install Ubuntu on any compatible computer in your company. Before installing Ubuntu, it's crucial to back up all important company data. This step ensures that no valuable files are lost during the installation process. Use external drives, cloud storage, or your company's backup system to securely store documents, emails, and other critical information. Now it's time to install Ubuntu. Insert your USB installation media into the computer and restart it. Enter the boot menu and select the USB drive. Follow the on-screen instructions to install Ubuntu. You can choose to replace your current operating system or set up a dual boot configuration if you want to keep your existing system alongside Ubuntu. After installation, Ubuntu will guide you through the initial setup. You'll set up user accounts, choose your language, and connect to your company's network. Take your time to configure these settings properly as they'll affect your team's daily workflow. Once Ubuntu is up and running, the first thing you should do is update the system. Open the software updater and install all available updates. Keeping your system updated is essential for security and performance, especially in a business environment. Next, install the software your company needs. Ubuntu comes with many useful applications, but you may need additional tools like Office suites, browsers, or communication apps. Use the Ubuntu Software Center or terminal commands to find and install these programs. Proper network configuration is vital for business operations. Set up your company's Wi-Fi or Ethernet connections, configure printers, and ensure all devices can access shared resources. If your company uses a VPN, install and configure the necessary software to keep your data secure. Managing user accounts is important for security and organization. Create separate accounts for each employee, assign appropriate permissions, and set strong passwords. This helps protect sensitive company data and ensures everyone has access to the tools they need. To enable collaboration, set up file sharing between computers. Ubuntu supports several methods, including Samba for sharing with Windows systems and NFS for Linux networks. Configure shared folders and set permissions so your team can easily access and collaborate on documents. Connect and configure printers, scanners, and other peripherals. Ubuntu usually detects most devices automatically, but you may need to install drivers for some models. Test each device to ensure it works properly and is accessible to all relevant employees. Security is a top priority for any business. Enable Ubuntu's built-in firewall, set up automatic security updates, and consider installing antivirus software if needed. Educate your team about safe computing practices to further protect your company's data. Implement a reliable data backup solution to prevent data loss. Ubuntu supports various backup tools, including built-in utilities and third-party software. Schedule regular backups to external drives or cloud storage, and test your backups to ensure they can be restored if needed. Transitioning to a new operating system can be challenging for employees. Provide training sessions to help your team get comfortable with Ubuntu. Cover basic navigation, software installation, and troubleshooting tips. The more confident your team feels, the smoother the transition will be. Set up a support system for your employees. Designate IT staff or power users who can assist with common issues. Encourage employees to use Ubuntu's online forums and documentation for additional help. Ongoing support ensures your team stays productive and any problems are resolved quickly. Regularly monitor your Ubuntu systems for updates, performance, and security. Schedule maintenance tasks such as cleaning up unused files and checking system logs. Proactive maintenance helps prevent issues and keeps your company's computers running smoothly. As your company grows, you may need to scale your Ubuntu deployment. Consider using centralized management tools to handle updates and user accounts across multiple computers. Planning for growth now will save time and effort in the future. Congratulations, you've learned the essential steps to implement Ubuntu in your company. From planning and installation to training and ongoing support, each step is crucial for a successful transition. Remember to keep your systems updated, support your team, and plan for future growth. With Ubuntu, your company can enjoy a secure, cost-effective, and flexible IT environment.